to our podcast, The Power of Unity, From Hidden to Manifestation. I'm your host, Monica, and today we have a special guest with us, Dr. Thomas Sharp, a professor of social science renowned for his work in societal cohesion and unity. Welcome, Dr. Sharp.
Thank you, Monica. It's a pleasure to be here.
Today's topic is incredibly significant in our ever-changing world. We'll explore the hidden power of unity and how it manifests in various aspects of our lives, societies, and the global stage. Dr. Sharp, let's start with a historical perspective.
Absolutely. Historically, many of humanity's greatest achievements have resulted from collective efforts. For example, the construction of the pyramids or the Apollo moon landing. These were not solo endeavors, but the fruits of unified teams working towards a common goal. Martin Luther King Jr. once said, "We must learn to live together as brothers or perish together as fools." This sentiment underscores the necessity of unity for our survival and progress.
That's a powerful point, Dr. Sharp. Let's delve into the scientific aspect. How does unity play a role in the survival of our planet and humanity?
Scientific research supports the critical role of unity in addressing global challenges. For instance, the Paris Agreement is a testament to the power of international cooperation in tackling climate change. Baha'u'llah from the Baha'i faith stated, "So powerful is the light of unity that it can illuminate the whole earth." This highlights how united efforts can lead to significant environmental and social impacts.
Unity also manifests in our response to global health crises, right?
Precisely. The COVID-19 pandemic showcased the importance of global unity. Collaborative efforts in vaccine development and distribution were crucial. Helen Keller's words, "Alone we can do so little. Together we can do so much," truly resonate in this context. Unity allowed us to combat the pandemic more effectively and save lives.
Moving beyond the scientific realm, how does unity influence social justice and economic fairness?
Social movements for equality and justice gain strength through unity. The civil rights movement, women's suffrage, illustrate how unity can drive social change. Vince Lombardi emphasized, "Build for your team a feeling of oneness, of dependence on one another, and of strength to be derived by unity." This principle applies to social and economic justice, where collective efforts are necessary to address systemic inequalities.
What about innovation and education? How can unity enhance these fields?
Unity fosters collaboration, leading to groundbreaking innovations. For example, international collaborations in space exploration, such as the International Space Station, push the boundaries of human knowledge. In education, unified global networks and online learning platforms like Coursera democratize access to quality education. As Priscilla Shirer noted, unity does not mean sameness. It means oneness of purpose. This oneness drives progress in both technology and education.
Given these perspectives, it seems clear that while the power of unity is immense, it often remains hidden. What can we do to bring it to light?
Promoting empathy, encouraging inclusive dialogue, and fostering global cooperation are key. We must educate people on the importance of unity and celebrate diversity as a strength. Karl Marx highlighted that unity is brought about by force, suggesting that shared adversities can unite us. By creating platforms for collaboration and understanding, we can unveil the hidden power of unity and harness it for the greater good.
Thank you, Dr. Sharp. This has been a fascinating and enlightening discussion on the power of unity. To our listeners, let's reflect on these insights and consider how we can contribute to a more united and harmonious world. Thank you for joining us on The Power of Unity, From Hidden to Manifestation. Until next time, stay united and keep striving for the greater good.